Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily start a print-on-demand business by making use of Leonardo AI. You might be curious about what print-on-demand simply means. Print-on-demand is a fulfillment process that ships products to customers only after a sale goes through. And this means that the merchandise will never require management, storage, or protection. Print on demand is an hassle-free and no risks involved in the print on demand business. All you simply need to do is to simply just generate your design from Leonardo.ai and simply just post your product on Printful, whereby you can easily build and grow your businesses with Printful. You can also create and sell custom on-demand products with inventory, and you can also put in your designs on Printify right here, whereby you create and sell custom products 100% fit to use. You can try out Teespring, which is a simple solution for creating and selling products, and you can also try out Esther right here. So you can easily just make use of any of this platform right here to promote your designs, and you can easily just make some cool cash online right there. So right here guys, just simply not waste much time. Let me show you how you can easily just create a design and upload them on any of this platform right here. So guys, all you want to do, go on to Leonardo.ai, then create an account, and there is no credit card required, and it's going to take you right onto this home page. So once you're right here on this home page, if you simply scroll down, as you can see, there are lots of amazing designs right here that millions of users have been able to create by making use of Leonardo AI. And one of the best parts about Leonardo.ai is that it is unique, and none of these images generated can be generated using any other AI image generation right there. Images generated here are so unique and amazing. So guys, I can decide to easily just make use of this particular image right here. So you simply just tap on that. So this is it right here. So once you're done, you can easily just copy out the prompt right here. Copy your prompt, then go onto the image generation tool. Image generation going to take you right onto this page, whereby you simply paste in your prompts. And once you're done pasting in your prompt, you simply scroll down. You want to simply select your aspect ratio, your image dimensions and minimal, and click on to generate. Guys, this is it right here. We have been able to generate these images and they are looking so amazing. So once you're done, you can easily just click onto the download button and download this particular image right into your device. So once you're done downloading this, the next thing you want to do, you can easily make use of printful.com, Printify, or Teespring right here to create your product. But for the course of this video, I'm simply going to make use of Printful. You simply click on to get started, and it's going to take you right onto the Printful dashboard. So guys, once you're right here to the Printful dashboard, all you want to do, click on to new order right here. And there are 4 steps involved in creating a product right here on Printful. The first step is to design your product. Step 2, connect your store. Step 3, upload the product to your store. And step 4 is to set up the billing. So once you're done, simply click on to new order right here, so you can easily start in your new order. You select your type. We have the basic order, whereby you customize any of our 343 premier products. The other type is to test your designs, whereby you save 20% on 3 sample products of your choice. But right here guys, I'm going to make use of the basic order and click on to create your order. So the next thing right here is to simply add product. So you click on to add product right here. So right here guys, now you can choose from any of these products right here. As you can see, we have many of them: men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, and minimal. So right here guys, you can decide to make use of the men clothing right here. These are some of the products in the catalog right here for worldwide delivery. As you can see, these are some of the designs right here available. So all you want to do is simply tap on that particular one right there. So guys, I can decide to tap in on this particular product. So the next thing guys you want to do is to simply upload and drop your design right here. So this is it right here. I've been able to add in our design, so we can easily just adjust our image right here. And if you go right here, these are some other design, and this is how it actually looks like. You can decide to bring it down a bit, and this is looking so amazing. It can come in form of a sticker, a unisex crew neck sweatshirt, and minimal. So once you're done with this, you simply go on to continue right here. And as you can see, it's generating our files, and the total of this particular shirt right here is $35 right here. So this is it. This is the quantity. our price and our retail price right here. So this is our products. We've been able to generate this product. This is the front and this is it, the mock-up right here. So once you're done, easily just click on to continue to shipping. So the next thing, put in your shipping address, the country, postal code, everything, and simply going to calculate shipping. And it's going to take you right onto the next step, which is to review order right here. So you simply just review your order and you can easily just add in this particular product on your shop. So this is how you can easily add in your design on printful.com. So guys, this is how you can easily decide starting a print on demand business by making use of Leonardo AI.